Okay, my name is Om Cita Karmanto, and here I gonna explain about my book that I gonna submit for AI for Good Hackathon that named Fairlink. Okay, so many people are excluded from financial services not because they are risky, but because they lack formal banking history. Next, at the same time, these individuals consistently use mobile services and show reliable behavioral patterns. Fairlink is a privacy-safe financial inclusion prototype that enables banks and telecom providers to collaborate without sharing raw data or personal identities. And by the way, Telecom is an electricity company that provides service for the people. Using a simulated data clean room on Snowflake, anonymized signals are combined to generate an explainable inclusion score supported by AI-assisted insights. So instead of moving data across organizations, Fairlink brings the analysis to the data using Snowflake. How different is it from any of the other existing ideas? No raw data sharing between organizations, no PII exposure or identity reconstruction, fully explainable scoring logic. How will it be able to solve the problem? Enable banks to assess underserved customers using behavioral signals and preserve strict data ownership and governance boundaries. USP or unique selling product of the proposed solution. Privacy for financial inclusion using Snowflake, secure views, and AI. Fairlink does not move data, it moves trust. List of features offered by the solution. Anonymized inclusion scoring, secure view-based clean room simulation, AI-generated risk explanations. This AI is assistive, not decision-making. And interactive Streamlit dashboard. And also, the last one is human-controlled credit assessment. And this is the use case diagram. Next, this is the architecture diagram. Next, so the tech stack that I'm using is Snowflake Data Cloud, SQL, Python, Snowflake Streamlit, and Snowflake Cortex AI. Snowflake tools and technology use is Secure Views, Snowflake Cortex, Snowflake Streamlit, role-based access control, data governance, and privacy controls. This is snapshot of the prototype. Now I'll show how this works in practice. Here we are. Here I'm gonna first show about the database. Here, wait, this Fairlink DB. Here, bank data and telecom data are stored in separate schemas within Snowflake. Here is the bank data, and here is the telco data. So this is two different companies, and these tables contain about usage, and these bank data tables contain about clients. They are joined only inside this secure view, which is analytics zone. Expose anonymized signals and calculate scores, not personal identifiers. Here we have credit inclusion insight views. So from this signal, Fairlink generates an inclusion score to support more inclusive credit assessment. Here is the main SQL code. Next, we're gonna talk about the Streamlit dashboard here. Wait a second. The Streamlit dashboard visualizes the inclusion score distribution. No names, emails, or personal data are shown. Here we can also Fairlink also use Snowflake Cortex to provide AI-assisted explanations in natural language. We can click this button here, generate AI summary, and it is generated as summary. Based on the anonymized inclusion score provided in the dashboard, the overall credit inclusion health appears to be stable with a diverse segmentation. The data suggests that a significant portion of the population has been effectively reached with a good balance between low, medium, and high risk segments. Okay, in summary, the credit inclusion health is stable with a well-segmented risk profile and a suitable focus on cautious micro-lending, which together contribute to a healthy and inclusive credit ecosystem. Here we have 5 emails that have been hashed, and its inclusion score, like this has 54, this has 39.5, this has 61, 21, and 95. The AI does not approve or reject loans. It supports human for decision making. Okay, back to the slide. So this is some additional details or future developments, integration with real-world telco datasets, advanced risk modeling, bias and fairness monitoring, regulatory reporting support. Next, this is our GitHub and demo video. This is for the closing. Fairlink expands access to finance without compromising trust or privacy. Thank you.